How to change playoff settings in ESPN Fantasy Football. Hey Fantasy Football fans, welcome back to Fantasy. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change the playoff settings in your ESPN Fantasy Football League. So whether you want to adjust the number of teams in the playoffs or tweak the playoff schedule, I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your mobile device. So once you're in the app, select football and then choose the league where you want to change the playoff settings. Next, tap on League at the top of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on League Manager Tools, and this is where you can make all the important changes to your league. So, in the League Manager Tools menu, look for Edit Playoff Settings or Playoff Settings and tap on it. And here you'll see the options related to the playoffs. To change the number of teams that make the playoffs, select the option that says Playoff Teams and choose your preferred number. So you can select anywhere from 4 to 6 teams depending on your league size. You can also adjust the playoff schedule. For example, you can set which weeks the playoffs will take place or even choose whether to include a third place game. After you've made all your changes, don't forget to tap Save in the top right corner. This will apply the new settings to your league. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your playoff settings in ESPN Fantasy Football. This can really spice up your league and make the end of the season even more exciting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.